Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Wow, I just took a shower and still already looks like I have bedhead. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but how's it going? My name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. It's the #1 place for Uber and Lyft drivers to come to learn how to make more cash, as well as just be a good rideshare driver and stay positive. We do like to stay positive over here. We don't do any name calling, so if you are having a bad day, just, you know, just talk to other people like you would like to be treated. So anyways, before I get into the video, please leave a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on this channel. I'm just sitting here drinking my, look at this guys. I have got this is my French press. I had to upgrade. You guys wanna see my other French press that I had? I upgraded from this one here to that one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's about 3 times the size. So that's just what I'm drinking. But anyways, guys, today's video, as you can see, I have Tesla.com pulled up. I think I just discovered a huge secret, and Tesla hasn't even gone public with this. I couldn't find any info on this. Well, maybe like 1 or 2 people, but no, Tesla has definitely not publicly stated this. I think they're trying to keep it super low key, but you know, I was just going through here, going on Tesla, you know, dreaming about one day, you know, buying a Tesla. So let's just go to Model X, right? Beautiful car, right? Oh my gosh. Look at those doors, bro. So this car right here, the Tesla Model X, this one, if you're driving it for Uber and Lyft, qualifies for, well, I think you do need to get in the color black, but it qualifies for Uber Black and Uber Black XL if you have the 7-seat version. This car here, Model 3, does not qualify for Uber Black. It only qualifies for Uber Select, at least in my area. But the Model S, this one does qualify for Uber Black as well in my area, and the Model X as well. Okay, let's just say we're buying this car, right? This is not an XL car, but it does qualify for Uber Black. Oh, I got an email. Who emailed me? Oh, getting close to a referral reward. Sweet Maria, almost getting $50. Good side money, guys. You guys should be doing those referrals too, if you want to make it. So, also just a quick side note. When you're going to buy your Tesla, guys, make sure you click on purchase price because it's about $9,000 more. The savings like includes the cost of gas, so like that's not really, I mean, yeah, you're gonna save that over like 6 years, but whatever. Let's just say you want to buy the performance one. Let's just say you have an extra $99,000 laying around, or you want to finance it. Sure, you know, you can finance the car, whatever. And you want to do Uber Black, right? You want to do 21. Oh, these ones are sick. Let's say you want to do these ones, right? 21. So go next here, and what kind of interior do you guys want? Let's just say you want to do all black interior, right? Go next. Don't spill on my nice new computer, old computer. Alright, do you guys, okay. Let's say you want full self-driving, because, you know, of course. And, you know, your total price comes out to a measly $111,000 before tax. So, probably around $130,000 total. Now, when you're going to buy your car, guys, you have to, where is it? It says, by clicking place order, I agree to the Model S order agreement supercharger fair use policy. This is what I wanted to go over. Click on this, and look at this. This is the normal, this is the, before you buy a car, yes, you should read all of this. I'm not even joking, read all of this. I don't know what all these are. Yeah, make sure you read all this, but let's go to Command F. Solar no, what is it? Supercharging. Supercharging. I think it's the fair use. Here we go. Supercharger fair use policy. I don't know if it was going to be charging or charger, so that's why I just did fair use. Regardless, we're continually expanding our global network of supercharger stations to enable personal long-distance travel and to provide a charging station for these without immediate access to home or workplace charging, thereby accelerating the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. When superchargers are used beyond their intended purpose, it negatively impacts the availability of supercharging services for others. Supercharger fair use. To help ensure that superchargers are available for their intended use, we ask you not charge your vehicle if you're using a supercharger if your vehicle is being used as a taxi, for ride sharing or ride sourcing or ride sharing through Uber, Lyft, or some similar services. I'm not really sure what ride sourcing means, but and then it also says to commercially deliver or transport goods for government purposes or any other commercial venture. So if you're that's really like, that's honestly kind of interesting. For any commercial venture, that's like, if it's a business car, then you can't use it. Like, that is really, like, that's pretty much eliminating a lot of people from using their supercharger. But this is what I did want to focus on. I have not seen, I mean, there are so many Uber and Lyft drivers, and they are saying that if you drive for Uber or Lyft or any ride sharing service, you are not allowed to use a supercharger. Well, it doesn't say you're not allowed. It says we ask that you not charge your supercharger. Okay, what does this say? If you charge your vehicle in a manner that does not comply with the supercharger fair use policy, we may ask you to modify this behavior. We may also take additional action to protect the availability of superchargers for their intended purpose, such as limiting or blocking your vehicle's ability to use supercharger stations. This policy applies to all superchargers worldwide and all Tesla vehicles purchased, either new or used, whether from Tesla or third party, after December 2017. So it's the car can, it's not saying that the car, it's not saying 2017 or older or newer. It's saying any vehicles purchased after. So even if you purchase a 2016 after that date, Tesla may choose to exclude certain supercharger stations or occasional trips from the scope of this policy, such as to accommodate specific local circumstances. So, with that being said, they're not saying that, I guess in my, disclaimer, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the legal terms of this, but the way I understand it as a, prospective Tesla owner and rideshare driver is that they're asking me not to use it, although I could use it. But if I do use it, they may ask me, they may take additional action such as protecting or limiting. So it's, in my understanding, if I sign the car up, it's not an immediate block. They're just telling me, they're just asking me not to use it. So I guess they prefer, the language that I'm reading is that they're preferring that I use like an in-home charger or like a charge point, like a public charger station, like at a mall, grocery store, or just in my garage, which I don't even have an electric charging. Yeah, I have the normal one, but you really, the best way to own an electric car is to just charge it in your own home. That way when you wake up you have a full charge. You do need to get something installed. I forget what it's called. It's pretty cheap though. I think it's like $400 or $500. Well, it's not that cheap, but it's not thousands. You don't need the Tesla charger. They give you an adapter and it's like, I forget what it's called. It's like $450 something. I don't know what it's called, but get that installed, and that way, because a normal wall outlet, it'll only charge you like 2 miles per hour. And 8 hours, that's 16 miles. I mean, you need something like, realistically, at least, what, 10 miles per hour? 10 miles of charge per hour, so that's 80 miles overnight. Honestly, you probably need something at least 20 or 30 miles charge per hour. But, so if you're thinking about, so if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, and you're thinking about using your Tesla for rideshare, keep that in mind, that they are asking you not to use the supercharging stations. If you don't know what a supercharging station is, basically, yeah, I mean, I don't even know. But yeah, basically it's these public stations, and they charge your car like ultra fast. Like, I'm pretty sure you can get a full charge within a little over an hour, or like half a charge in 30 minutes, which is, you know, most people go there when it's like halfway charged and just fill it back up. But I heard that they're coming out with V3 version 3, which is like up to what, 10 times faster, 5, I don't know, don't quote me, 3 times faster maybe. So that way you can get a full charge within, like, you know, shorter amount of time. I shouldn't like say things that I don't know the specifics details to. But with that being said, make sure to, you know, keep that in mind. If you were relying on doing I'm pretty sure this is what they don't want, like full-time drivers to just going there like multiple times a day and charging and charging and charging and charging. Especially if you have a Tesla Model 3, like, you know, what's it called? The what's the not the long range one, the standard range, which only has 240 miles. And if you're driving that every single day, they probably just don't want you chilling at the charging station every single day. So it's probably fine if you do it here or there, but you should probably get an in-home charger, or charge it somewhere else. Like you can look up ChargePoint. It's like a public directory of charging stations. They even have I believe they even have some homes that have public charging available, where you can literally park in some guy's driveway. He probably has a like 12 car garage, and you just park it there and your car gets charged using his in-home charger. So anyways guys, I just wanted to make this quick update video just to let any potential Uber or Lyft drivers know that if you're thinking about buying a Tesla to drive rideshare, or even, again, even if you're doing it for any of these other things, government purposes or commercial venture, taxi, all of those things. Oh yeah, and I also did want to say, I'm probably pretty sure, because if you remember, Elon Musk announced, here, let me pull up the article really quick. He announced that, what was it called? Robotaxi. He announced that he's going to be releasing 1 million Robotaxis. He's starting his own service, ride-sharing service. So he probably, you know, this is also competition. Like, look at this. Tesla promises 1 million Robotaxis in 2020. So I guess by the end of next year, he plans to have 1 million of these self-driving cars doing rideshare. So, you know, he is competing with Uber and Lyft at that point. And I mean, I think, pretty sure people are saying that he's gonna destroy Uber. He's gonna take Uber down. Because how can you compete with 1 million self-driving cars that are driving 24/7, you know? Can you not? I'm trying to film. Bruh. Bruh, are you serious? Dude, why are you guys hear this? No, it's so annoying. I was just having a nice relaxing cup of coffee. Can you do that later or tomorrow? Alright guys, I don't know, tell that guy to be quiet. I'm just kidding. you know, gotta put in an honest day's work. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye guys.